Ayun, sir, how was the experience po inside?
Well, there is a feeling of certainty. The sacredness of the place has been manifested through the visualization of paintings and the creation of the entire edifice.
Si Madam po, kamusta po? Ano po nararamdaman niyo sa loob?
Very sacred po and solemn yung place.
Yeah.
Now, ano pong, kayo pong 80 to 30 open house po, especially dito sa Ordaneta. Ano pong gusto niyo sabihin sa mga, dito po sa mga taga-Ordaneta, sir?
Well, sa mga taga-Ordaneta, the temple has its a way of saying, come here and visit me, because the temple represents a bonding of one family, that it signifies the importance of being one and united. So it has something to do with the eternal way of life. It goes beyond the limitation of physical aspect. So sana, I hope that everyone will be joining us and visit the temple and realize the real meaning of life and life after life.